paint tomatoes on the vine. So anyway, here I did this stem yesterday. So just starting with the stem for some reason, and came out okay. It's kind of wimpy colors, but I plan to add more details and definition later. So here we're doing like wet on wet. First I tried, just painting the shape of the tomato with water, very light, red, and then started to add details and various planes that are in there. It's amazing how many different colors are in the tomato. There's yellow, brownish, purplish, and even a highlight reflection like you can see towards the bottom that's even like silverish. So painting very cautiously and trying to work my way around the the leaves and from the stems, and there's a shadow of the stem there. I was trying to capture that, and coming out okay. Very wimpy colors, nothing too bright for better or worse, but it's a kind of an underpainting at this stage. And so doing the tomatoes one at a time, I don't know if that was a good idea. Maybe should have indicated all of them first and then gone for detail. I sort of messed up the recording on that tomato. Anyway, here's the last one, and first painting the white, light, watery underpainting sort of thing, and this helps to prevent hard edges forming in the thing. There's the shadow of the stem that was not really coming out too great. Anyway, looking all right. Stop back for more.